Now, as I'm using the opportunity record and as I'm filling in my timeline, we're putting lots of notes in here. And we have Copilot, which is our AI tool, will continually be updating highlights here to show me the important information that is coming out of all our interactions with the client. So for example, now it's telling me, because I created a task about a proposal, it's saying a proposal is being developed and that the VP requested detailed information on pricing and that we have already scheduled a phone call. The more detail you put into your timeline in CRM, the more information you can get out from here about what your sales team is doing and what your customers are requesting.